Hi, I'm Christina, optometrist at Vantage Vision Care. Today, I'm going to share with you how to use this hydrogen peroxide Everclean. So this box, in a box, it comes with a bottle of solution, a casing, and a tablet. So one big bottle like this, it contains 30 tablets, means it's for 30 days, 30 use. Alright. So the first step to use this solution is we need to put the lens in the holder. Okay, so here I have the lens that I'm going to put in the holder. Alright, the contact lens. So we always put it, we always start with the right lens first. You put the right lens on the holder, and then you insert the left lens on the other side of the holder, and you have to remember the color code, which side you put on which holder. Okay, so the proper way to put in the lens, okay, here I'm going to show you, is to make sure the lens is fully seated all inside the casing and it's not out of the holder, so that when you close it, you don't accidentally pinch on the lens, or especially for RGB lenses, you don't break the lens. Okay, so the lens is in, and you open up your solution. Okay, before that I just want to add in a little bit of warning. So you see all the solution have a red cap like this. In contact lens solution, when you see a red cap like this, it means a warning that you do not this solution is not allowed to go in directly to the eye. So it's basically a danger warning. So when you open the solution, yeah, it's all white inside. Remove the plastic, and you fill the solution up in the container until just before the line, like this, just before the line. Okay, this amount, get in the line, then you pop in one tablet into the case. Alright, you can see the bubbling starts. Then you close the lid, close it tight, give a gentle shake like this so it's all mixed up. Yeah, clean. Right, this is the whole process. Okay, because this is a clean, this lens is a clean, it's not from the eye directly. For those of you who remove the lens from the eye, it is advisable to rinse and rub the lens at least 20 times before you put in a holder and store it in a solution. You leave it minimum of 2 hours for the tablet to work. You can see it start to bubble up. Yeah? For the whole process to neutralize the solution. So during this process, before it is all done, you do not take out the lens and wear it, because the solution, if it gets direct contact into the eye, you have stinging sensation, you feel like you have chili in your eyes. It is not neutralized, so it's not suitable, it's not safe to go in the eye. Remember that it's very important. If you forget to put in the tablet, the solution will still be clear like before you put in the tablet, right? But once the process, whole process is done, it will look like light green, slightly tinted, green tinted color in color, the solution. Okay, so every time after you use the solution, remember to close back the lid, and after the whole process is done, you wash your hand clean, dry it well, remove the lens, wear it, and throw away all the solutions. Basically empty it and rinse it with saline water, the casing. Do not use tap water to rinse the casing. Okay, I guess that's all for now. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. Thank you. Bye.